Guys, hope everybody's doing well and having a great day. Breaking news coming out of Mexico, just north and east of Acapulco. 5 miles outside of town, there's been a large 7.0 magnitude earthquake in the last 30 minutes. And you know the people that live here in this area felt that earthquake. That is right on top of the city. Again, just north and east of Acapulco, probably 5 miles outside of town. We'll measure over here at Google Earth approximately 3, maybe 4.5, 5 miles outside of town. That was a large, shallow quake coming in at 12.6. That would be around 6 miles deep, 12.6 kilometers. And this was initially a 7.4 magnitude quake that's been downgraded to a 7.0. Coming over here to the seismographs at the USGS. And if you look on the far right-hand side of these graphs, you're starting to see a tall black signature. That's the 7.0 quake that just occurred. And it's reaching tall on these graphs, and that's usually a good indication of a very strong earthquake. This is one over in Jamaica. This is one in Honduras. We're going to look at some up here in the United States. Look at New Mexico. This seismograph felt that energy almost instantaneously. New Mexico, Missouri, looking at some other seismographs, there's Texas. Obviously, the Yucatan in Mexico felt a very strong signature. That would be the primary wave moving away from the epicenter of the large quake that occurred right there just north and east of Acapulco. Looking at the Yellowstone seismographs, you can see one seismograph picked up the earthquake energy right there, and for some reason, the rest of these seismographs did not. In fact, I'm seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 seismographs, for reasons unknown, are offline right now. And the rest of these seismographs, in fact, let's refresh the page. Okay, over here at Pelican Cone, it picked up the large earthquake. Purple Mountain picked up the earthquake. Holmes Hill picked up the earthquake. Some seismographs, again, are offline. Right now, those are the only seismographs showing the energy from the very large 7.0 quake that just occurred right outside of Acapulco. I did go over here to Webcams de Mexico. This is a webcam in Acapulco. I haven't been able to find any activity yet, but I just got started looking. I did come over to the National Data Buoy Center. I looked for buoys along the coast of Mexico. There are no active buoys right now. In fact, there's none along the coast that are even working. See all the red icons? It means those buoys are inactive. Yellow means active. Flashing yellow, like the one we see over here in the far western Pacific. There's something going on at that buoy. I noticed it about a day and a half ago. There's some sort of an unusual event being detected over here in the water column height at this particular buoy station, 21413. Don't know what's going on, but it's kind of coincidental that you've got this thing over here showing very bizarre readings. Then a few hours later over here along the coast of Mexico, there's a very large earthquake that once again occurred just outside of Acapulco, less than 5 miles from a very densely populated area.